Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session we are going to see how to install Laravel on Ubuntu 22.04. Laravel is a free and open-source PHP web framework designed to facilitate the development of robust and scalable web applications. It builds upon the widely used Symfony framework and offers a straightforward, user-friendly approach to coding. As a backend framework, Laravel encompasses a comprehensive set of features necessary for developing modern web applications, including routing, validation, caching, queuing, file storage, and additional functionalities. Check the OS version using the following command. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. Check for updates using the following command. Upgrade the package list using the following command. For Laravel to work we need Apache. To install Apache use the following command. Start the Apache using the following command. Enable the Apache using the following command. Laravel relies on PHP, and Composer is dependency manager for PHP. Install PHP with dependencies using the following long command. Composer is a vital PHP dependency manager designed to simplify the process of downloading PHP libraries for our project. Use the following command. We can check Composer installation by using the following command. Go to document root of the website. In this we utilize default Apache document root using the following command. Create project using the following command. And give yes. Switch to the Linux Help project using the following command. Set these permissions using the following commands. Go to Apache 2 site configuration location using the following command. Create new configuration file named laravel.conf using the following command. Edit the Laravel configuration file using the following command. Add these following lines. Save and exit. Enable new virtual host by running the following command. Reload Apache using the following command. Check the syntax using the following command. Go to web browser and enter IP address. We have successfully installed and enabled Laravel on Ubuntu 22.04. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.